Hello everyone! Kumusta mga higala, mga amigo diha sa Tibuok Kalibutan? I am hoping that we are all okay. Welcome to Hazel's Emporium, and to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. Thank you everyone for your time so much. So, today's video, everyone, this is another sponsored video from a company, Shebag. Thank you, Shebag, for your generosity to my channel. Thank you big time to that. So, let's proceed unboxing to this. See me more, please. Thank you. So, here this is. Let's begin unboxing to this. Careful when using a cutter, please. So here this is. Oh my god, I can't wait to open up this. 1, 2, ta-da! Oh goodness. Ah. Yay! Oh, look at that. Looks very heavy duty. The strap. Let's carry on. Oh my god. This is adorable. Comes with a little pouch. Oh, look at the material, guys. This looks unreal. Goodness. And this. Wow. Yes, that's right. Wow is right. Alright, so let's take a look closer. I have Louis Vuitton logo on the hook. And guys, look at the material. Superb. This looks real. Heavy duty though, with the Louis Vuitton logo. And that reversible logo. It has this. Oh goodness, this is super beautiful. Okay, this has a compartment for your card. Look at this. Let's take this off. With the Louis Vuitton logo, made in Paris. Let's try. Oh, hear that? Zipper slides super perfect. Oh my god. Here to connect with that strap. Oh, material is looks like very authentic. Take a look closely. Thread is in the right place, and this small little one, same. It has Louis Vuitton logo, a Paris, made in Paris. And I have here, I am hoping you can see this clearly. This has a Louis Vuitton logo, made in Paris, and we'll try the. Oh goodness, look at the. It won't hurt your. See? This is so perfect. Oh my god. Beautiful material. Looks very real. Looks very authentic though. And this cute little one for your coins. Oh, let's remove what is in this. Cute guys, super. I love this. With the Louis Vuitton logo. Same thing here. Oh, listen that. Slides perfectly and smells like real leather. This is super awesome. Thank you, Shebag, for this. We're not done yet. I still have here. With this Louis Vuitton logo. I'm not so sure if you can see this. It looks like blurry. I'm trying to adjust my. Here you go. Oh. Beautiful. So I will put the information below in my description for this company, Shebag.ru company. And yeah, you can go check online to their company. They do have a lot of different luxury replica stuff for men and women. You guys go check online to this, please. Thank you. And look what I've got. An edge pendant with my necklace. With a Hermes logo on the side. Brilliant. Thank you, Shebag, so much. Beautiful. Beautifully made pendant. Hermes for my age, Hazel. Thank you, Shebag, so much. So here this is the multi-pocket bag. Perfect for Valentine's gift to everyone. Isn't it cute and pretty? I can't wait to try this on. Please see me more in my try on. Thank you.